guys, welcome back to the 2023 Chicago Auto Show.
We are going to take you through all the ride-alongs that are here at the McCormick Center. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
It's going to be fun.
Do you guys come to the auto show every year?
Yeah, for the most part. I might have missed a couple, but this is awesome.
So that color ahead of us, that's a high velocity. It's one of the new colors. There's also a purple rain.
What color is this one? I really love this one.
Earl, like Earl Grey.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Did you say this was the 4XE?
Yep.
Okay.
So it's a plug-in hybrid, and you can actually go up to 20 miles in electric. You can go electric, hybrid, or e-safe, and just use the
Awesome. So if you just like work in town, it's just going on your charge every time. I like that.
Well, and it's a Rubicon, so you can lock the front and the rear axle. You can disconnect the sway bar. So right now, with that sway bar disconnected, you're going to feel that full suspension treble.
Okay.
These are offset.
Yeah, they are. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my word. That's awesome. What's this angle? Oh my goodness.
About 25 degrees.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. You're losing our bag. Oh, we're gonna go up some steps?
Yeah.
No.
They released the 93 Laredo.
Oh, wow.
They went up the stairs to Detroit, so this is kind of a shout out to that.
Oh my gosh.
Over 10 inches of clearance to get up here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, boy.
This is how they sell the Jeeps, everybody.
Yeah.
Right here. This is a blast.
Still take all 4 doors off. This is the one with the one-touch sky top, so that's an electric top.
Oh, wow.
3-piece Freedom top, traditional.
Oh yeah, I've
top,
seen
or
these.
This is one you don't get caught in the rain with.
Yeah, I've seen these, and I'm like, I definitely need that. So cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's great.
Top, just one touch, and it's open.
That's so much nicer, right?
Yeah.
Especially if you're gonna get caught in the rain.
Yeah, exactly. Skid plates underneath, just in case.
Oh my gosh.
Going up and down the stairs. I'm trying to hold it steady, but that ain't happening.
Oh, you're doing good. Now this will be about 45 degrees.
Oh my gosh. I'm very scared.
Oh boy, look at this.
Deep enough, you won't be able to see over the hood. With the trail cam on, you can see here. So that's right above that front bumper.
Okay.
And then going down from the back seat, you'll be able to look up.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My breath. Oh, my stomach. That was awesome. I didn't struggle one bit.
Now 40 degrees down.
Look at that. You can't see anything up there. But we can use the camera.
There we go.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Oh
Oh boy.
Oh wow.
And then this is just for fun.
Is that railroad ties?
Yeah. Getting your core workout in today.
Yeah, exactly. Especially him with the camera. He's
Yeah. I can't stop laughing. I'm sorry.
that's the best. I love that.
Oh, that was so fun.
Wow.
That was great. Thank you.